Hello and welcome to our PHP for Beginners series. In this in this course, we will be taking you through the fundamentals of PHP and showing you how to build dynamic web applications using this powerful server-side programming language. PHP is widely used to create dynamic web pages and is essential for web developers. We will start by introducing the basics of PHP, including syntax, variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. We will also teach you how to work with PHP functions, arrays, and objects. Additionally, we will introduce you to SQL databases and show you how to use PHP to query and manipulate data stored in a database. We will explain how to use PHPMyAdmin to manage a MySQL or MariaDB database. This will enable you to create, read, update, and delete data from your database with ease. Finally, we will cover the basics of creating and consuming APIs in PHP, including how to handle HTTP requests and responses. This will allow you to build powerful web applications that can interact with other systems and services. By the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of PHP and how to use it to build web applications. So let's get started.